Hey, beautiful people. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. So most of you know that I have been working on my credit since September of 2023. Now, when you're working on your credit, do not go and start trying to apply for stuff while your credit is being worked on. Because guess what? That slows the process down, and it can still, guess what? Put more inquiries on your credit itself. So that's a no-no right there. That's a no-no. But as you may have noticed, I'm seeing results. I'm also posting about my results, and also the accounts that are in dispute as well too. Do not be in a bind when trying to go get a loan, go get that car, or try to get that apartment, or whatever the case may be, and your credit is not in order. Well, today is the day that you need to start working on your credit. Stop procrastinating, stop making excuses. Because when you start doing something better for yourself, you start to see the results that you have always wanted. Guess what? I'm on low income housing, and I am pushing to basically get land and get my own house. No shame in my game about being on low income housing, because guess what? Everybody started from somewhere. But at the end of the day, never be stuck, never be stagnant, and do not be in the same position you were in last year or the beginning of this year. And don't go into next year in the same position, because guess what? You deserve better, and you know that you deserve better. Stop being around people who telling you that you don't, who telling you that it's not going to work because they don't know, because they have not tried it. Stop that. You are only hindering yourself, and you are only basically, hurting yourself. So reach out to me so that we can work on your credit together, okay? You deserve it, honey. You deserve it.